Building a cybersecurity program is hard. The field moves faster than the syllabus. Faculty are stretched, and by the time a course is ready, the threats have already moved on. That's why we built Teras, a complete cybersecurity training platform built for universities and institutions. Let's dive into the student experience. Students view lessons on the left and a live cyber lab on the right. One screen, zero friction. Students tackle real-world threat scenarios from day one. Behind the scenes, the adaptive engine spots where each student struggles and recommends what will help most. No two paths look the same. Every student has a personal AI tutor inside each lesson. When they're stuck, it doesn't hand over the answer. It asks the questions a good teacher would. And because the industry runs in English, Teras blends mini English learning features within lessons to build the vocabulary they need for international teams and offers entire cybersecurity English modules too. The threat landscape changes constantly, and the curriculum keeps pace. New vulnerabilities and techniques are added as they emerge, so students train on current practices. Engagement matters too. Badges for milestones, streaks for consistency. A cohort leaderboard for friendly competition. On the faculty side, a suite of tools from the same live data. A live command center brings every course and cohort into one view, shared across lecturers, coordinators, and leadership. A skills heat map shows cohort mastery at a glance. And Teras's AI flags students falling behind, so faculty can step in before anyone disengages. The curriculum builder lets faculty design pathways visually. Every module maps to industry-recognized frameworks and skills standards so graduates meet what employers and accreditors expect. Grading runs on a consistent, auditable rubric engine. Faculty get their weekends back. Students get feedback the next morning. Every course ships ready to teach. Detailed content, presenter notes, and interactive tools. A lecturer walks into their first class feeling prepared with every tool they need. Reporting to the ministry, accreditors, or the board is straightforward. Pick the most suitable view and format for reporting or file export. When an existing lab doesn't fit, faculty build their own. Define the learning objective, and the platform handles the environment, scenario, and grading. All of it, student and faculty, goes live faster than you'd expect. From agreement to first class in about 8 weeks across 5 phases. Discovery with your leadership, mapping content to your academic structure, optional train-the-trainer workshops, platform setup, and then launch. Your faculty receive teaching guides, detailed onboarding sessions, and a dedicated manager for the duration of deployment. Teras fits your institution's deployment needs. Choose synchronous, asynchronous, or blended learning modes. Teras. Cybersecurity training for universities and institutions. Visit terascyber.com to book a demo.